Prior to going through this question, we suggest you pause here and read the question thoroughly so you can take in all the information that we need to go through. So when you read through this question, because we're creating a Venn diagram, we need to establish how many sets there are. And it's clear from the information we're talking about flavors of a milkshake. And those three distinct flavors are chocolate, strawberry, and vanilla. Now, to show this information on a Venn diagram, what we can do is represent those three sets with three overlapping circles. And the overlaps are necessary because sometimes people might order two of the flavors, or they might order all three. So it's not about their favorite flavor, it's about which flavors do they actually order. So the first bit of information we can put in the Venn diagram is that we have 100 customers that we're asking this question about. So that information will go on the top corner of our Venn diagram in a part circle. So we know that all of the numbers eventually that we form will have to add up to 100. The next bit of information we have is that 35 people ordered strawberry. So we'll put that in a part circle in the top right hand side of the strawberry circle. And we can see here that we've bolded the green circle for strawberry. And that circle has got four segments to it. We've got some people who ordered just strawberry milkshake, some people that ordered chocolate and strawberry only, people that ordered strawberry and vanilla only, and some people that ordered all three flavors. So those values in each of those segments will eventually add to 35 when we put those numbers into those parts of the circle. The next bit of information we have is that 46 people ordered chocolate, and we'll put that in a part circle on the left-hand side of the chocolate circle. We also have 18 people ordered chocolate and strawberry, so that's the overlapping part of those two circles. You'll notice there that we put ticks in the overlapping part of the chocolate and strawberry circles. And the reason why those ticks are there is because of the 18 people that ordered chocolate and strawberry, some of the people might have ordered just chocolate and strawberry, so not vanilla, and some of those 18 people might have ordered vanilla as well as chocolate and strawberry. So that's why those ticks are there, to indicate that the 18 is referring to two parts of the diagram rather than just one particular spot. The next bit of information we have is that 7 people ordered strawberry and vanilla. And like in the previous bit of information, we're going to put that in a part circle to indicate it's the overlap of the strawberry and vanilla circles. They could have also ordered chocolate, we just don't know yet. The next sentence in the question tells us that 22 people only ordered vanilla. So that means we can safely put that in the vanilla circle, but away from the sections that overlap with chocolate and strawberry. We need to notice a key word in that particular part of the question, and that's the word only. So we know that 22 is only referring to the part of the vanilla circle that does not intersect with chocolate and strawberry. The next bit of information tells us that 7 people ordered all three flavors, and there's only one spot that can go, and that's where the three circles overlap. So right in the middle of our diagram, we can put a 7. The next bit of the question tells us that 15 people only ever ordered 2 flavors. Now that's difficult to put into our diagram because the key word again is only, and because it refers to 2 flavors, there are 3 sections in our diagram which we've indicated with ticks where people ordered 2 flavors, perhaps chocolate and strawberry, strawberry and vanilla, or vanilla and chocolate. So at this stage all we can say is that those ticks add up to 15. Now that we've exhausted all of the information that's been provided to us in the question, we need to go through and see if we can complete the Venn diagram based on the numbers that we have got. Now, one of the key numbers that we often use to start with is the number right in the middle. It allows us to build up as we go from the middle outwards. So we can see here that because there are 18 people that like chocolate and strawberry, and there are 7 people that ordered all 3 flavors, we know that the number in the part circle where chocolate and strawberry intersect, but not intersect with vanilla, must be 11. And the reason for that is because 18 minus 7 is equal to 11. Likewise, we know where strawberry and vanilla intersect, but they do not intersect with chocolate, that number must be 0, because 7 minus 7 is equal to 0. And those numbers now add up to the part circles we had there originally. There's a few more gaps in our Venn diagram which we can start to fill by looking at any particular circle at this stage, but we'll go with strawberry first. We know that 35 people ordered strawberry, so the number of people that ordered strawberry only we can determine by going 35 minus 11 minus 7 minus 0. In other words, the numbers that form the whole of the strawberry circle. Another bit of information that we haven't used yet is that 15 people only ever ordered 2 flavors. Now we can see that we've got 11 and 0 from our previous solutions, in other words, that ordered chocolate and strawberry only, or ordered vanilla and strawberry only. So the remaining number that ordered 2 flavours must be 4, because 15 minus 11 is equal to 4. So 4 people ordered vanilla and chocolate, but not strawberry. And the last bit inside our circles is the number of people that ordered chocolate only. We can see that we've got 46 people ordered chocolate, so we can subtract the remaining numbers in the chocolate circle, which we do know, that's 11, 7 and 4, and we're left with 24 people that ordered chocolate only. There's now one last piece of information to fill in our Venn diagram, and that's the number of people that did not order any of those 3 flavours. And we can get that by subtracting all the numbers that we see in red from 100, and that leaves us with a total of 15. Often when we've completed a Venn diagram, there's a series of questions that ask us to interpret values within the circles themselves. It might be wise to pause here and see if you can interpret these questions and come up with your own answers, and we'll go through them one at a time and see what the solution is. So the first question's asking us how many people only ever ordered one flavour. So the keywords are only and one flavour. And if we have a look at the circles, there are 24 people in the chocolate circle that only ever ordered one flavour, 17 in the strawberry circle, and 22 in the vanilla circle. And altogether, that adds up to 63 people. The next question is asking us how many people did not order vanilla. So it's a very simple case of looking at the vanilla circle, but only adding up the numbers outside of that vanilla circle. Now take care when you do your adding up, because remember the numbers in the part circle that you can see in different colours, such as the 46 and the 35 for chocolate and strawberry, they only help us get the numbers that are the key values within the circles. So in this case, those people that did not order strawberry comes from 24 plus 11 plus 17 plus 15. And that comes to a total of 67. And the final question we're being asked is how many people ordered strawberry or chocolate. So the keywords there are obviously strawberry and chocolate, but also the word or, and we use inclusive or here. So we're after all the numbers that are inside the chocolate and strawberry circles. And we can see here that we've got 24, 11, 17, 4, 7 and 0, and we add those up to get a total of 63. It's important to note that while some of those numbers are in the vanilla circle as well, that's not really an issue for this question, because the question's just focusing on how many people ordered chocolate or the strawberry flavours, so we're worried about the numbers in the chocolate and strawberry circles. There are many more questions that could be asked of a Venn diagram such as this one, but it's important to note the keywords, and the sorts of words you're looking for are words like and, or, only, or not.